Oh God, not face first. Jackson, what are you doing? I'm so glad we have all these toys all over the place. So this is what he plays with. Fix it for him, Daddy. There you go. Why doesn't he go around the back anymore? Yeah. What is he doing?
I have no idea.
Oh man, scary. So scary.
What am I supposed to do? I have 2 fish on that order. My chicken. She needs to snap out of it. Get her head out of it. I need to get this chicken right.
While Susan checks her chicken.
Jackson has made his own slide. It's pissing him off though. Baby, turn it short way. That's too high. And pull him away from the TV. Put it back to where it was. He's gonna go face first into that TV. So get him off of it and fix it. There you go, boo-boos. Climb on the box the safe way. He's getting pissed off. Did you see slip? Climb around the backside, you weirdo. That's it. We're bringing all his toys and giving it to Goodwill, and we're just going to buy him boxes from now on. He's trying to climb in. Babe, you see him? What's up, Jason? Is this what you're going to be doing another year? Being a crazy baby? Climbing in boxes? Using them as slides? Yeah? Is that what you're going to be doing too, Mr. Jason? Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Great. There's a big box coming towards me. Hi, mister. Hi, baby Jason. Hi, baby. Hi. Smile, come on. There it is. He's so happy. He's so happy. Hi. Hi. Hi, handsome. Hi, my beautiful baby boy. Oh, he's so happy, huh? Yeah. He's so happy and talkative.
Whoa!
He's so little. Look at those little fingers. Aww. Okay, you crazy kids. Say bye-bye.